Thousands of years ago, people lived in a world without phones, radios, or the internet, yet they still faced the same problem we do today, sending information to someone far away. Imagine trying to deliver an important message across a vast landscape. Sometimes the nearest community could be several days away on foot. There were no roads connecting distant settlements. There were no maps to guide travelers. And there was absolutely no technology to help them communicate. But somehow, information still managed to travel. Messages often crossed enormous distances between villages and tribes. To solve this challenge, ancient humans became incredibly creative communicators. One of the earliest communication methods was the human messenger. Trusted runners carried news from one group to another. These journeys could be dangerous, exhausting, and sometimes life-threatening. Yet for thousands of years, human legs were the fastest delivery system on Earth. Ancient people also discovered that sound could carry information. Loud drums could be heard across surprisingly long distances. Different drum rhythms could mean completely different things. Some rhythms warned of danger, others called people together, and some shared important news. In many regions, horns made from bones or shells became powerful communication tools. Their sounds could travel across valleys and difficult terrain. Fire soon became another remarkable way to send messages. At night, signal fires were lit on hilltops where they could be seen from far away. A single fire might signal safety, while multiple fires could warn of danger. By relaying signals from hill to hill, messages could spread across entire regions. During the daytime, smoke signals served a similar purpose. Different smoke patterns could represent different messages. Entire communities learned how to communicate across open landscapes using smoke. Hunters and travelers could exchange information without ever meeting face to face. Ancient communication was not limited to sound and signals. People also carved symbols and markings into rocks. Trees and cave walls often became natural message boards. These markings allowed information to remain long after the creator had left. Some symbols showed safe routes through unfamiliar territory. Others pointed toward water sources, food supplies, or hunting grounds. Even without written language, visual symbols could share valuable information. Knowledge could be passed from one generation to the next through these markings. Trade networks expanded communication even further. When people exchanged goods, they also exchanged stories, ideas, and discoveries. Information slowly spread from tribe to tribe across vast regions. Over time, a single message could travel hundreds or even thousands of miles. Communities living near rivers and coastlines often used boats to carry messages. Waterways became the information highways of the ancient world. In some places, dogs helped guide messengers through difficult terrain. Later, birds could carry messages across remarkable distances. Long before smartphones and the internet, ancient humans created the world's first communication networks using creativity, observation, and the natural world around them, laying the foundation for every message ever sent in human history.